everyone. This is Lata Akula. In this video, we are going to study different characters exhibited by all the 4 different classes of fungi in a tabular form. It is easier for your examination to recognize all the characters with examples. And the first one is, we know that the fungi were classified into 4 classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. The Phycomycetes were classified into Oomycetes and Zygomycetes, and the remaining are common. The Phycomycetes, they are called as lower fungi and the remaining are called as higher fungi. These two are called as lower fungi and the remaining all are called as higher fungi. All these 3 are called as higher fungi. If you see the characters, habitat, where the Oomycetes lives in the water, aquatic condition. Oomycetes live in aquatic habitats and Zygomycetes live in terrestrial. Ascomycetes also in terrestrial habitat, and Basidiomycetes live on the terrestrial habitat, and Deuteromycetes is also terrestrial. The common name, if you see the common name, the Oomycetes, they are commonly called as algal fungi. What is the common name of Oomycetes? Algal fungi. Whereas the Zygomycetes commonly called as conjugation fungi. Ascomycetes are called sac fungi, whereas Basidiomycetes are called club fungi. Deuteromycetes are called as imperfect fungi. Because the perfect stage, that is sexual stage, is absent, hence they are called as imperfect fungi. We see the cell wall of different fungi. The cell wall of the Oomycetes is made up of cellulose. Except Oomycetes, in all the remaining, the cell wall is made up of fungal cellulose called chitin. Here also chitin. This chitin, the cell wall is made up of chitin. The mycelium structure is, the Oomycetes, they are lower fungi, right? Hence, in Oomycetes and Zygomycetes, these 2 are lower fungi, hence the mycelium is aseptate and they contain many nuclei, hence they are cenocytic and unbranched, not branched structure. And here also aseptate. So because the Zygomycetes are also aseptate and mostly these are unbranched, some of them they can exhibit branched character. These are also cenocytic and mostly unbranched. Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes, they are called as higher fungi. Hence, these are, this mycelium is septate. The mycelium is septate and there is no cenocytic condition, only one nucleus, that is single nucleus is present, uninucleate. We can write like this, uninucleate and mostly branched. These are mostly branched. Whereas Basidiomystis, these are also septate. What kind of septa is present? Doliopore septum. Doliopore septum is present, the characteristic dish of the Basidiomystis, and these are mostly branched. Deuteromystis, they are also septate, uninucleate, and mostly they were branched. This is the mycelial characters. Next one is asexual spores. Here, what are the different kinds of asexual spores? In oomycetes, zoospores are present. Zygomystis, sporangiospores. Sporangiospores were present. In ascomycetes, conidiospores. Basidiospores, no asexual reproduction, absent. Asexual spores are absent. Here also Deuteromystis, asexual spores are conidiospores. Sexual spores. We see in oomycetes, the sexual spores are oospores. These oospores are diploid in condition. In zygomycetes, the sexual spores are zygospores. They were diploid in condition. And in ascomycetes, the sexual spores are ascospores. They were haploid. These are basidiospores. Again haploid. In this, sexual reproduction is absent, no, hence the sexual spores are absent. And dikaryotic phase, we see in Phycomystis, we have not studied any dikaryotic phase, hence it is absent. Dikaryotic phase is absent. In zygomycetes, also absent. In ascomycetes, the dikaryotic phase is present but short-lived, only short period. And in Basidiomystis, it is present and long-lived, dominant. It is long-lived. In Basidiomystis, this dikaryotic phase is dominant, and in Deuteromystis, it is absent. We see the examples of different fungi. First one is examples of oomycetes are Albugo candida, Phythium, and Phytophthora. Phythium, Albugo, Candida, and Phytophthora. Are examples of these. And zygomycetes examples are Rhizopus, and Mucor. These are the main examples of zygomycetes. And next, ascomycetes examples are Aspergillus, Penicillium, yeast, Neurospora, and we can even write morus and truffles also edible. Ascomycetes like morus and truffles, which are edible fungi. These two are called as edible. Aspergillus, Penicillium, yeast, Neurospora, morus and truffles are the examples of ascomycetes, whereas Basidiomycetes examples are Agaricus, Pleurotus, Volvariella, Volvaceae. These three are called as edible mushrooms. These are edible mushrooms, and we have some poisonous mushrooms like Amanita phyloides, Amanita. These are poisonous. And we can also write a bracket fungi, puffballs also examples of Basidiomycetes. Puffballs and bracket fungi. These are the examples of some Basidiomycetes, and examples for Digidomycetes are Alternaria solani, Collectotrichum falcatum, like this we can tell so many examples for this. This is about the tabular form of different fungi. So what are the characters? The habitat is, the oomycetes are aquatic, zygomycetes are terrestrial, ascomycetes also terrestrial, and all these are terrestrial in habitat. The common names are very important. The oomycetes, the common name is algal fungi. Zygomycetes common name is conjugation fungi. Ascomycetes common name is sac fungi. Basidiomycetes, they are called as club fungi, and Digidomycetes are called as imperfect fungi. The cell wall of these are, the cell wall of the Phycomycetes made up of cellulose, and this is only the exception. In all the remaining fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin. Mycelium, if we see the mycelium, in these two, that is Phycomycetes, these are aseptate. The septa is absent, hence there may be a multinucleated condition will be seen. That multinucleated condition is called a cenocytic condition. The word we use for the multinucleated condition is called cenocytic. And these are mostly unbranched. And these are mostly branched. Same, aseptate, cenocytic, but these are mostly unbranched. And some of them, they may exhibit branching nature. Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Digidomycetes, these three are called as higher fungi, right? These three are called as higher fungi, hence they are septate. The walls are separated by cross wall, and they are uninucleated, mostly branched. These are also, and one of the important characteristics in this Basidiomycetes, the septum is present. In the septum, there is a doliopore septum is present. What is the characteristic feature of this Basidiomycetes? There is a doliopore septum is present. This is present in almost all fungi except in some rust and smuts. Rust and smuts. This is absent. Doliopore septum is absent in rust and smuts. In remaining all the species, this septum is present. In Digidomycetes, same, the septum is, they are septate, uninucleate and branch structures. You see the sexual spores in oomycetes, they are aquatic forms. The spores are called as zoospores, and zygomycetes, they are sporangiospores which are enclosed in the sporangium, endogenously produced. Ascomycetes, they are exogenously produced spores which are called as conidiospores. In Basidiomycetes, asexual spores are absent. In Deuteromycetes, only reproduction. Only reproduction is by means of asexual spores called conidiospores. In Deuteromycetes, conidiospores are present. Only reproduction, only kind of reproduction, that is. Sexual spores are oomycetes. The name itself indicates the spores are oospores. These are in diploid condition. Zygospores, zygomycetes, zygospores only. And ascomycetes, the name itself indicates ascospores, but they are haploid. In these two diploid condition, the spores. In these two haploid condition, Basidiomycetes produce basidiospores because the ascospores are produced on the ascus. Basidiospores are produced on the basidium. And Deuteromycetes, there is no sexual reproduction, hence the sexual spores are absent. Dikaryotic phase, here dikaryotic phase, that is a double nucleated cell. That condition is absent in these two, that is Phycomycetes, this dikaryotic phase is totally absent. And Zygomycetes also absent. In Ascomycetes, this dikaryotic condition, that is after somatogamy, instead of fusion of the two gametes, the two gametes will be lived short period in the same cell. That condition is called as dikaryotic condition. In Ascomycetes, it is short lived, whereas in Basidiomycetes, that condition is long lived. Deuteromycetes, there is no sexual reproduction, no dikaryotic phase. Examples are oomycetes, Pythium, Albugocandida and Phytophthora are the examples. Zygomycetes examples are Rhizopus and Muca. Ascomycetes example, Aspergillus, Penicillium, yeast, Neurospora crassa, and some of the edible ascomycetes like morels and truffles. Morels are cone-shaped structures, spongy cone-shaped structures, and truffles are like tubers, potato tubers, right? Like that they appears. In Basidiomycetes, examples are mushrooms only. We eat mushrooms, right? Those mushrooms are Agaricus, Pleurotus, Valvariella, Valvaceae. These are called as edible mushrooms. And there are some poisonous mushrooms also seen. They are called as Amanita. That is called as poisonous mushroom. And in addition to this, there are some other Basidiomycetes like puffball, bracket fungi. Some of the rust smuts will also come under this group. And Deuteromycetes examples are Alternaria solani, Collectotrichum falcatum, and we can also write Trichoderma. So Trichoderma is also Deuteromycetes, belongs to Deuteromycetes. So if you read this table, you are able to do answers on all the different classes of the fungi. You can easily remember the different characters by using this table.